Okay, which of these is not a characteristic of living things? Respiration, growth, photosynthesis, reproduction. Characteristic of living things, the correct answer is photosynthesis because all living things do not photosynthesize. Only green plants photosynthesize. In which organ of the mammalian body is urea formed? Kidney, liver, pancreas, heart. Urea is found in the kidney. The part of the eye that regulates the amount of light entering, the part of the eye that regulates the amount of light entering is the iris, retina, lens, cornea. The correct answer is iris. Which of the following organisms is not a protozoan? Paramecium, amoeba, euglena, rhizopus. Protozoa. They are eukaryotes and they include paramecium, they include euglena, they include amoeba, excluding rhizopus. Rhizopus is a fungi, so the correct answer is rhizopus. The mode of nutrition in fungi is autotrophic, chemosynthetic, heterotrophic, photosynthetic. Mode of nutrition in fungi is heterotrophic. Which kingdom includes organisms that are unicellular and prokaryotic? Protista, Plantae, fungi, Monera. Prokaryotic are, they don't have true nuclear membrane. So the correct answer is Monera. The blood vessel that carries blood from the digestive tract to the liver is the renal artery, pulmonary vein, hepatic portal vein, aorta. The correct answer is hepatic portal vein. It carries the blood from the digestive tract to the liver. What structure prevents food from entering the windpipe? The windpipe. Epiglottis, trachea, larynx, pharynx. The correct answer is epiglottis. Meiosis results in 2 diploid cells, 2 haploid cells, 4 haploid cells, 4 diploid cells. The correct answer is 4 haploid cells. The function of xylem in plants is to transport food, store food, transport water, carry out photosynthesis. So the function of xylem is to water, while phloem is to food. So the correct answer is to transport water. Xylem is to water, phloem is to food. So the correct answer is transport water. Which of these is a vestigial organ in humans? Vestigial organs are those organs that has no specific function in the body. Pancreas, appendix, kidney, liver. The correct answer is appendix. Which process is involved in water movement from root to leaf? Transpiration, respiration, germination, assimilation. The correct answer is what? Transpiration. The blood group, which blood group is a universal donor? AB, A, B, O. The correct answer is O. No. A parasite that grows on another plant without deriving nutrients is parasite, saprophyte, epiphyte, autotroph. The correct answer is epiphytes. In human reproduction, fertilization takes place in the ovary, uterus, oviduct, vagina. Fertilization takes place in the oviduct. Another name for oviduct is fallopian tube. The hormone responsible for regulating blood sugar is adrenaline, insulin, thyroxine, glucagon. Now, to regulate blood sugar in the body, the hormone responsible for that is insulin. Adrenaline is for flight and fear. Thyroxine is for regulating thyroxine stuffs in the body, in the area of to prevent goiter. Then glucagon is for converting stored animal fat back to glucose. Which enzyme breaks down protein in the stomach? Lipase, amylase, maltase, pepsin. Once you hear stomach, there are only 2 enzymes there. And the enzymes that are there are pepsin and renin. So the correct answer here is what? Pepsin. A major feature of mammals is scales, beak, mammalian glands, gills. The correct answer is mammalian glands. The removal of metabolic waste from the body is digestion, egestion, excretion, secretion. Removal of metabolic waste from the body is known as what? Excretion. The structural and functional unit of the kidney is the neuron, nephron, glomerulus, Bowman's capsule. The correct answer is nephron. Which part of a flower develops into a fruit? Petal, stamen, ovary, style. The correct answer is ovary. In photosynthesis, light energy is absorbed by chloroplast, cytoplasm, nucleus, mitochondria. Now, in photosynthesis, that is plants, light energy is absorbed by the chloroplast. Okay, so we've come to the end of today's question. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates on post-UTME questions. Success in your exams, and bye!